Hello everyone. Well, in this section, we are going to discuss about how you can write the get method using the rest assured. So first of all, let me create a separate package for rest assured. And the name of the package is rest assured helper. Inside this package, I'm going to add a test class as well as a test method. So test get, and inside this, the test method. So public void test get, along with the annotation @test, which is coming from the JUnit framework. Okay, so if I want to write the test case using the BDD approach for the get method, the test case will be like this. Assuming that I have my application up and running, I will directly use the when keyword and followed by our statement. So when I perform the get request, which is a simple test case. Now if I open my API documentation for rest assured, so we have a when method. Okay, and as you can see here, it's a static method. That means we need to use the class name to call this particular method. So from the coding point of view, it will be like this: rest assured dot when. Okay, if I look at the return type of this when method, it is going to return us the type of request sender, and request sender is an interface. These are the classes which have implemented this particular interface. So I will open this class, that is request specification IMPL, and inside this class, as you can see here, there are get method which are taking different types of argument. This particular get method which does not take any argument, so by default it is going to query this location. So for our test case, we are going to use a get method which takes the object of type URI. So here I will use get and the URI. So before that, let me create the object of URI class. So URI equal to new URI, and here I will supply the endpoint. So this is the endpoint to which we are going to send the get request, and this endpoint just makes sure that whether the application is up and running or not. So this is a ping endpoint, and I'm going to supply this object inside the get method, and this is going to throw us the checked exception. That's why I will use the throws keyword. So this is our get method using the rest assured. First we define that what should this particular test case should do in the form of BDD approach, and this is the coding part. I'm going to put a breakpoint over here, and run this script in a debug mode. So first it will create the object of URI and then perform the get request. So this is done. As you can see here, the test case is getting passed. Now to further optimize this code, I can do like this also. So instead of creating the URI object over here, I can directly supply the statement inside the get method. And if I run this test script, the output remains same. So as you can see here, the test case is getting passed. So as you can see here, the when method which we used just now is a static method. And I think there are a lot of methods inside the rest assured framework which are static. So instead of using the class name every time, we can also do another approach, that is by using the static import. So instead of using the class name every time, I will do a static import. So from that point onwards, I can directly call the method. Those are static without using the class name. So I'll just do a static import. So after that, I don't need the class name for calling the methods. And if I run this script, the output remains same. So in this manner, you can write the simple get method using the REST assured framework.